everybody. Today we're going to be making a delicious mango smoothie. All you need are frozen bananas, milk, some frozen mango chunks, and some guava or maple syrup or some type of sweetener, and that's optional. You don't need that. So now, what you do is take some of your really icy frozen cold banana, make sure to make them a little bit small. Now, you want to add some mango chunks. Maybe a little bit too much. But that's okay. Now, you want to add some milk. I wonder why they really put this lid on it. That's good. Now a little bit of this, just for a little bit of sweet. But it's optional. And now for the fun part. So now you can pour it into a bowl. And now, a really cool thing you can do is also put a couple mango chunks in it. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.